There's a few small changes I've been thinking about making to my 1959 Chevy Apache. If you've got this in your truck as well, I would love to know. Please add those in the comments. I'm going to show you what I'm thinking about changing now. I would love to know what you think. In the late 1930s through to 1972, the fuel tank was inside the cab behind the seat. And back then, sometimes these tanks were known as suicide tanks because of the risks for health and safety. And when the trucks were built, it would have been all about keeping things simple, saving money. Would have been so much easier to put them inside the cab, which meant shorter fuel lines, probably easier setup. I know when I replaced mine, it was easy just to take the seat out, take the old tank out and put the new ones. But as mine was rusting and leaking, I just had fuel leaking on the floor inside my cab. In 1973, the tanks were mounted under the bed, between the bed rails, which I think is so much better. I'm thinking about moving the tank because of the fuel smell in the cab, especially on hot days, for safety, which I don't like sitting near the fuel. And it will give me some storage space behind the seat. My son's a fabricator, so I'm going to chat to him about making one especially for Sunshine Chevy. And because she's a 3200 fleet side, the long bed has so much space to mount the fuel tanks underneath on the bed rails. So that's the next thing I'm thinking about changing in my Chevy pickup. I would love to hear if you have a truck similar to this, where the fuel tank in your truck is located, and any feedback would be fantastic. Remember to subscribe. We've got a lot more videos coming out of our Chevy life here in Australia. It'd be great if you supported our little channel so it can grow and show you more of the wonderful sights of the Sunshine Coast in my Chevy Apache. Have an amazing day. We'll see you next time.